Hey everyone, how's it going today? It is super hot out here today. It did just rain, so I'm totally hoping it cools down because otherwise this is gonna be a really hot install. But another video means another install of a new part. Today I am going to be ripping off the Mopar Rubicon side steps, which if you can see here, we're actually starting to rust. I was gonna keep them and I was gonna go with an Ace Engineering, but instead, to make it a lot easier for a lot of other guests who get in my vehicle, I'm actually gonna be replacing them with Rock Slider Engineering Power Steps. So I'm excited for these. I scored a great deal on these. They go for about 2,200. That's usually what they retail for. You can get them on specials. I actually luckily found them on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody didn't like them. They wanted something a little bit more rugged and off-road capable. So I scored these for about 18, so I can't complain. So we're gonna go into the install of this and show you how it goes, and then I'm super excited about these. So let's just start getting into this and rip off the old, put on the new. but you can see they're installed. They are functioning 100% exactly how I thought they would. Definitely gonna make getting in and out of the Jeep a lot easier. The profile and the look is everything that I was looking for. I wanna note though that this product, its install, its instructions, its wiring harness are amazing. You can definitely see that Rock Sliders put a lot in R&D into this product, and it shows that they're on generation 3, so they probably fixed a bunch of stuff, but everything was amazing. It was so simple to do. You can't even tell that it isn't factory. Like, everything is perfect. It's definitely worth the $2,300. So if you're looking for a pair of sliders and a power step pair of sliders that makes it easy for a girl getting in a dress, or just being lazy and don't want to climb up the height of a lifted Jeep on 37s, I definitely recommend these power steps. There's nothing more I can say. They're amazing, so I recommend them. I'll put a link below, so if you want to check them out yourself, you can go click on that link. But at this time, guys, I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna go relax, have a nice drink, adult juice, you know. But at this point, please, guys, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.